got a little project. I know y'all can hear how loud this muffler is on this 97 Civic. This boy got 241,000 miles. The muffler's pretty loud, so we're gonna be changing the back muffler today, and I'm gonna show y'all guys what y'all need, what tools y'all need. It's best if you have power tools. I got electric power tools, so I'm gonna be using those. Right now I'm just gonna get some gas real quick, and then we're gonna come back and get to it. And this works from 97 to 2000 Honda Civic. It's the same model, same body style. So I'll see y'all when I get back to the crib. Peace. Alright, let me just show you guys what we got this far. This is the muffler here that we're putting on. And we got the Civic on. Jack stands. And as you can see right there, that's why we changing it. Because as you can see, the muffler is broken. Let me get up under here real quick to show y'all. This is the power tool I was using. It's a DeWalt gun. I'm gonna put the link in the description below. I did a review on this, so check out that video. It's the 20 watt DeWalt half inch. This is just a half-inch converter right here. Converts half-inch to 3/8. And these are the two bolts. I got one out on the other side. This is what they look like. So it's gonna be one here and then one right there. So just take it. Already got that loose. So there you go. And on this side, sometimes you might have to hold those. I didn't even hold it, but I'll just take like a something to hold that. I didn't even hold it though. And as you can see, that's completely broke. So now we just gotta get these off the hangers here. Should be two hangers, one here, one there. Well, it just fell. And we should be almost done. I'm gonna need my other hand to get this off. And I'm gonna hook the other one on. I'm also gonna put the link to the muffler Amazon as well. So let's get this off. And I'm not even gonna change this what is this? This gasket right here. It comes off, but I did this before on another car and I didn't even change it, so I'm gonna just attach it and keep it moving. I'll hit you guys in a minute. Alright guys, as you can see, we got our new muffler on. Got it in both the hooks. By the way, this is a Walker 18558. That's the part number. It's nice and quiet. All I did was ram those bolts in with the gun. Don't forget it's a 12mm bolt. Thanks for watching my video. Let me get this cleaned up. More videos to come. Peace. Links in the description below. Make sure you subscribe. Peace.